In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Docs file. Whether you're drafting your next big project, collaborating on a work document, or simply jotting down your thoughts, Google Docs is an incredibly versatile tool you'll want to get familiar with. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. If you're starting your document journey directly in Google Docs, it's quite simple. First, navigate your way to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you will be greeted with a screen offering you various options. For a fresh starting point, click on Blank, and a new document opens up for you to begin typing right away. Alternatively, if you have a specific format in mind, you can choose from a range of templates tailored to different needs, like creating resumes or formal letters. This can be especially helpful if you're in a hurry or need some structure to get started. Alternatively, if you tend to use Google Drive as your main hub, you can easily access Google Docs from there as well. Begin by going to drive.google.com, or if you're already within the Google suite of apps, click on the recognizable Docs icon in Google's App Launcher. Once inside Google Drive, look for the plus New button, typically located in the upper left corner of your screen. By clicking on this, a drop-down menu appears, and from here, select Google Docs. This method is particularly efficient if you're organizing multiple documents or storing files in a single shared space with others. Now, if you're really in a rush or prefer shortcuts, there is an even quicker way to create a new Google document. Simply type docs.new directly into your browser's address bar, press Enter, and you'll find yourself magically transported to a brand new document, immediately ready for you to start writing. Once your blank document is opened, it's time to give it a name, ensuring you can effortlessly find it later. Look toward the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see Untitled Document. Clicking on this text box allows you to enter a new name of your choosing. Whether it's a straightforward title or a creative nod to what the document will contain, renaming is a good habit to get into. And the beauty of Google Docs is the automated saving feature. As you type, your file will continuously save any new information or changes. This feature ensures that your work is constantly being safeguarded without needing any manual saving interventions. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a document using Google Docs. Dive in and explore these features, and you'll soon discover how effortless it is to create, share, and edit documents all in real time without the worry of losing a single word. Happy writing!